We're going for a quick ride, and you'll notice Dolitas Manila is already here. We've got Che on her Duke 390, Karen, Super Duke, Eve, Rebels. That's a KTM Adventure. Riza just arrived on her Harley Davidson Road Glide. We are meeting at my favorite spot here at Petron Dasma. I'll let you guys know why it's my favorite spot. This is where all these nice cars like to park. There you go. Let's check it out, those dope ass cars. Hell to the yeah. The GTs, Ferraris, Porsches, and Lambos. And more. Woohoo! I just had to do a walk around and, like, you know, show y'all the other cars. Yeah, yeah. I'm on a BMW GS. That's this. Let me go check out first my friends and say hello, and I'll be right back. Peace. Hello. This is Eve. Have you met?
Yes.
Yeah, she's with her.
She was the second to arrive. I was like, thank goodness, I have somebody to talk to.
Yeah. Who else is gonna be here? Conch. Oh, hi, Che. Do you guys know Che?
No. Yes. Wait.
This is Che.
I think so. No, I haven't met you yet. Hi. Oh, it's perfect.
Yeah.
When I came out this morning, there's bird shit.
Good job.
I was like, yeah.
Hey, Conch.
Oh yeah.
I didn't hear you.
Oh no.
Hey, Conch.
I didn't hear you come in. You just went by. It's a sewing machine.
Wow.
You're not videoing this, huh?
I. Okay, we are gonna start our little quick ride. Taking that new BGC link. Yeah, Lambo just parked beside me, and a Ferrari. Okay, taking off. I'll follow you. Okay. There the girls at. Alrighty, so today I am taking the BMW GS R1250HP. Yeah, we're just going for a bike wash. A bike wash by Moto Shed. It's happening at Brixton Street in Capitolio. You know, we figured we'd make it a bit of a ride. So there is a new BGC Ortigas link. We will be taking that over to the bike wash, right? So that would be awesome. And then of course we will have coffee, breakfast over at Cafe Rista. Woohoo! What is up, folks? This is Eve on her Honda Rebel. She's like 4'11", by the way. Karen's got her boyfriend's Super Duke today because her bike is down, but usually she's on an S1000R. This is my crew for today. How is the GS so far? Let's talk about that. So far it's a city bike. This is the easiest adventure bike I've ever ridden. They've given me the low seat, low suspension, I think, because it's not that tall. This one goes as low as 800 millimeters, depending on the suspension settings and the seat and the version you've got. Very manageable for my, you know, for me. Such a smooth ride. It's very easy. I don't even know why. Is it because, like, center of gravity is really good? To think I have a top box.
Hey y'all, so I'm going for a bit of a ride. And where's my backpack? That's because today I have a top box. Booyah! So, a little box over here. Push that up. My water in here. My tote bag. being here and my cat here.
I've always said I will never get an adventure bike. This is a very nice one. Maybe when I'm 50.
New bridge up ahead.
Fucker. So this is new. We are trying. Oh, so this is the BGC link that's gonna lead us to Ortigas. Let's see where it goes. Woo. Woo-hoo-hoo. People just taking photos. Is that it? I guess only motorcycles can pass because there's still cones on the road. I think this is like Pioneer or something. This is Brixton already. We're lost, but I have a feeling this is Brixton already. Yeah, it is Brixton already. Alrighty. We made it! We are here at Cafe Rista and a couple of us are gonna get like bike washes. Woo! Take a trees! Nice to see you again! Nice to see you not on social media.
How are you? We miss you.
Yeah, the Harley crew.
Too loud. It's really loud.
But it's okay.
Yeah, it's nice naman, but
Loud is safe.
Yeah.
and very like may comment last year is like super tagtag talaga. I can feel the tagtag sa EDSA.
That's our
Do you still have your Himalayan?
vibrator.
Yes, for you.
You still have the Himalayan?
Yes, I still.
Okay. That's okay. You have like... We are at Brixton Bespoke Bikes and having a bike wash. Thank you, Moto Shed. So this is the latest Manila's lineup today. We've got a Ducati Monster, Super Duke, W800, Harley, more Harleys, Honda Rebel, KTM Adventure, and that's what I took today. So everybody is just having coffee and chilling and waiting for their turn to get their bikes washed by Moto Shed. Harley, how about you, Lucky? What do you bring? KTM Adventure. What about you, Amiga? Monster over there. Hi. So Catrice's motorcycle being washed by Moto Shed. Okay, Linas Manila lining up. Thanks so much for being here with like Moto Shed, having a quick car wash with the latest chicas.
Okay, huh?
No?
Okay.
Ay, naku. Okay, we'll go na. Bye. Just waiting for my friends because I'm like the highway patrol. There's this awesome service happening at Brixton and I had such a good bacon and kimchi plate. It was so delish. super good what I had there. So check them out on social media. That's at Brixton Bespoke Bikes and at the Moto Shed. It's fun, you know, to get your bike wash over coffee with friends. That way it's not so sad. You're not getting your bike washed alone. Food was good, coffee was great, company was great. Again, also check out at Delitos Manila on Instagram. If you're a female rider and you ride a motorcycle, not a scooter, feel free to send us a message and we'll invite you to rides. That's basically it. So yeah, took the GS on a bit of a city ride. I might take it out for you know, something longer. The GS is such a dream. I feel like I'm riding a cloud. More on this BMW GS. Basically, as a city ride, god damn. Oh my god. And especially if you're taller, this bike is just so comfortable. First impressions of the city ride, I don't feel these bumps. Like, what bumps are you talking about? Whew. It's light also. I don't know. I mean, it's heavy, but the weight is just distributed out, I guess, very well. It's so damn good. With so many features, I am enjoying having this top box. It's like I can put so many things. It's like I have an automatic like shelf at the back of my motorcycle, or I can put my helmet. I can put all these things. There's a lady on the road with a carton. So freaking good. BMW GS R1250HP. Wow, I haven't even started yet. I'm just getting to know this motorcycle. First impressions, the first date was just freaking amazing. Hot damn. I don't even think I'm gonna go through all, like with my F900R, I haven't even like maximized all the controls and figured everything all out yet. But what I can tell you, their modes: Rain, Dynamic Pro, Enduro Pro. What the fuck? So good. It's got the heated grips. I'm not gonna use that now, but maybe if we go to Tagaytay or something, or if I'm feeling cold. It's got there, suspension, ABS, suspension, the menu, that toggle wheel, which was also present in my F900R. This model comes fitted with hand guards. It's already got the mount for the Navi. This screen, that's adjustable. I have to figure it out. Comes with a top box as well. So many things that it comes with. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Peace out.